Now the remote works with the motor and the track regularly. Now let's clear the memory of the remote from the motor. Wait for the light. The light comes on. Then we hold it, we press it again. Press it and hold it. And hold it, push it until the light blinks. It blinks and it moves. Now if we hit the remote, it won't work. It won't work because we just clear it. It won't work. So we put it back now. So we press it, wait for the light. The light comes on solid, stays on. Then we hit the open button. Now it works. That's it. Now the remote is paired with the motor.